Hey everybody, AJ Murga here with a quick review of Stop That Train. First, I'm going to give it to you straight. This movie is quite funny. It's basically an airplane movie starring drag queens. My wife turned me on to RuPaul's Drag Race many years ago. I did not expect to like the show, but I honestly love it. We watch every season together now. It's a lot of fun. There's so much drama, and also I'm very impressed by these performers. They have to do so much in these dresses and in high heel shoes. They have to sing, they have to act, they have to dance, they have to do all kinds of different stuff. And you could see that in the movie. The movie is basically one big maxi challenge, which I really enjoyed because the skits in RuPaul's Drag Race are always my favorite thing. So I thought Ginger Minj and Jujubee, who pretty much carry this movie, both did a really good job. Jujubee's kind of staying in her lane as like the straight friend, well, no pun intended. Ginger Minj was definitely the MVQ of this movie. She really stole most every scene she was in. So there's a lot of good cameos in this movie from all kinds of stars. Sarah Michelle Gellar has several funny parts. Maybe one of the funniest though was Michelle Visage. She was quite funny in this movie. She only had one small part, but it made everyone in the theater laugh really hard. Yeah, everybody was having a great time, and honestly, even in the bathroom afterwards, I had to pee really bad, like I do after every movie because I'm in my 40s now, and everybody in the bathroom was having a great time too. Everybody was so nice and friendly to me. I'm not exactly sure why. That doesn't usually happen in most movies, but I mean, it was very, very welcoming experience. I enjoyed myself. One complaint though is, where was T.S. Madison in this movie? She was nowhere to be found, and she's clearly one of the funniest guest judges that they have on the show. So I was a little bummed not to see T.S. Madison anywhere in the movie. Now, is this a great movie, and is it worth a full price evening ticket? Maybe no to both of those questions. However, if you go into it with tempered expectations, expecting nothing more than a silly airplane-style comedy, I think you're going to have just as much fun as I did. So at the end of the day, is this movie worth your time? I definitely think it is. It's very funny, especially if you temper your expectations. But more than anything, I think it's really important to support these kinds of movies. They don't get made often enough, especially with these kinds of unrepresented voices. It's important that we have all different kinds of movies made in the mainstream for everyone to see on a wide-scale audience. So when something like this happens on a mainstream level, it's important for all of us who are allies to show up and to support this community and to support these types of movies, because we don't want the same voices over and over and over again. We don't want the same humor over and over again. Happy Pride Month, and in support of Pride, I think you should go see this movie. Now I'm gonna give it to you gay. This movie funny. Yeah, I mean, I was in the theater for the full 90-some minutes and I didn't catch anything. I had a good time.